How you doing, guys? I want to do a video today about this Pioneer that's been getting a lot of attention. I've been getting a lot of questions about how to connect the DVD player, well, not the DVD player, but actually how to bypass it so that it works while you're driving. You're not supposed to do that. I don't recommend it, but you know, you got kids that look at the movie while you're driving and you want to shut them up when the internet isn't working. So please don't forget also to subscribe and hit like on my videos so I can make more like this. I'm trying to get more followers so I can get monetized, so help me out if you can. And also I'm going to show you some features on this DVD player too, or on this head unit that I got. Okay guys, so what I did is I turned off my truck. I'm going to turn it on and pretend like I'm going to take off to drive, and you're going to see when that video comes on, it's not going to let me play it. It's format read, so it's reading the DVD. It'll pop up and it's going to give me a warning first, because you're supposed, and it tells you right here what's supposed to happen is to confirm that the vehicle is parked, parking brake has been applied, number 1, number 2 released, and number 3 applied again. So it's not going to let me click this OK button until that wire, or until I do what it says it does. And if I do that, well, I can't drive. So what I did is I connected that parking brake wire to a toggle switch, and then the other side, it had excess, so this should be black, because this actually goes, it's grounded to the truck. So this is grounded, and this is the wire that comes out of the stereo. So when I click this, and you're gonna see, I'll do it over here, see it does that, and then I click it again, you'll hear it. Now the OK is illuminated, so when I hit that, boom, the movie can start. So I hit play. It's very responsive, by the way. Like if I can go to scenes, I can go here and click on one and play it, number 6, and it'll go to that scene right away. Look at that. This is Riddick, by the way. So it's very responsive and works great. Now some of you are going to say, well, why don't you just connect it to the ground right away? Yeah, that's true, but you need to click it on and off. Remember, you got to put it on the parking brake, set the parking brake, take it off, then set it again. I know they sell this little gizmo that pretends that's what it does. So when you turn the truck on, it does the clicking for you, but it costs like 30 bucks. This is actually a lot cheaper to do. You know, the toggle switch only cost me like $5 at O'Reilly's, and that's that. And so to show you, let me see here. This is, let me take off my, there we go. Take this off, and I'm going to show you that wire. This is the one that comes out of the stereo. You can see it right here. I'm going to put my camera in there. You'll see how it says connected to the parking brake. You see that? Parking brake. Yep. But we don't want to do that, because if you do that, then you're going to have trouble. So in any case, I hope that helps you. Now I'm going to go into the features of the stereo itself. Alright guys, and like I said, you know, I have a Camaro, and you'll see it on my videos. I have a Boss system in there. That one I just connected. It didn't say parking brake, but that one I just connected straight away to the ground, and that's it. It works. I didn't need a toggle switch, but Pioneer did it because they figured out that that's what we were doing. You know, we're bypassing it. So anyways, this is the way around that, and now I'm going to show you some features on the on this radio and what it has. As you can see here, when it's illuminated, that means that, you know, like this is the Bluetooth is on, it's connected to my phone. I have a DVD in there. The radio is working, and I also have an auxiliary. Now, the auxiliary, what would you need that for? Well, I've got an old iPod that isn't Bluetooth, so I connect it straight away through the cord into the auxiliary, and I can play my music that way. I got a bunch of 80s music, you know, hard rock. I don't know if you saw my Metallica shirt. I like stuff like that. So anyways, that being said, this is pretty easy to use. I'm going to hit this right here. If I want to go to radio, I go to radio. Just click on it. If I want to expand it, I expand it, and it'll tell me who's singing, what's going on. Just by holding down a station, say I like 96.1, I'll hold down this bar, and boom, it becomes that 96.1. It's that simple to use. It does have a USB. It's right here. And it does have some preamps. It has only for one preamp. So that's what goes out to my subwoofer, to my amp actually, and from the amp it goes to the subwoofer. And you can also control it from here. So let's see here. These are the settings. Everything you need to know is right here. Camera settings, system settings, restore settings, anything you want is right here. Calibration, dimmer settings, picture adjustment. I mean, it does have Bluetooth. If I want to make a call, I can just go to my phone right here. And it says no device. I just disconnected my phone, by the way. So anyways, what would happen, all of my telephone memory would show up there, and then I just click green and it'll call it. It has real good memory on it. So this is a great way to change up and update your stereo if you have one of those old ones. I hope this helps you guys. It has a lot of functions. If you want to ask me any questions, go ahead. It does have for the camera. This unit again is under $100 at Walmart. I don't have the camera yet. I do have it. I'm just being lazy. I haven't connected it. But I'll do a video when I do connect that, okay? If you got any questions, let me know. And please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Have a good day.